can put yourself in a position where you can just sit on one shot only, then it makes counterattacking a whole lot easier. Okay, so the last skill that we're gonna kind of focus on that's gonna help us with our counterattacking is understanding kind of the geometry of the court and sliding, okay? So basically what this means is when our opponents have a certain shot opportunity or certain attack opportunity. So say, for example, I hit a dead dink to Alex's forehand, okay? So he's got a ball in his forehand, and if you can kind of visualize the angles or the lines that he could hit that shot on, right? If he hit it across my body this way, I'm protected by the sideline, so I can use the out of bounds to my advantage, okay? So this is probably the most common kind of sliding situation you'll see. But if he has that, if I take a step this way, okay, what I can do is now I can basically only give myself one shot option that I have to cover. So rather than if I were here, I'd have to cover my backhand and my forehand. So now I have to worry about two things. By sliding, I'm using kind of the sideline of the court as a defender. So if Alex were to take that ball, speed it up over my right shoulder, it's going out. So now I don't have to worry about that because I can cover my backhand pretty much all the way up to where he could keep the ball in, and I can cover my backhand over here all the way up to where my partner could cover. So I've basically eliminated having to cover both sides of my body by using the court geometry and maybe kind of one slide step. So there's lots of situations like this, and it does take some time to understand certain situations, certain dynamics, which way the directions of the ball's going, and which way I can slide to cover that. But understand that ultimately our goal is to not have to cover both sides of your body. If you can put yourself in a position where you can just sit on one shot only, then it makes counterattacking a whole lot easier.